Intro. Welcome traders. Introducing Liquidity Setup PRO V1 for MetaTrader 4, a smart money concept-based indicator designed to help traders detect liquidity sweeps, stop hunts, BOS confirmations, and institutional reversals automatically. No more guessing. No more searching manually for liquidity setups. Everything is displayed directly on the chart step by step. Buy Setup section. Let's look at the buy setup logic. Step 1. Price moves below sell-side liquidity. Step 2. Liquidity sweep gets confirmed. Step 3. A strong bullish candle appears. Step 4. Break of structure, also known as BOS, gets confirmed. And finally, buy signal appears directly on the chart. The indicator automatically draws the complete setup sequence for the trader, including arrows, labels, confidence score, and confirmation levels. Sell setup section. Now let's look at the sell setup. Step 1. Price moves above buy-side liquidity. Step 2. Stop hunt gets confirmed. Step 3. A strong bearish rejection candle appears. Step 4. CHOCH or BOS confirmation appears. And finally, sell signal appears directly on the chart. No confusion, no complicated analysis. Everything is visual and easy to understand. Dashboard section. Liquidity Setup PRO V1 also includes a powerful dashboard system. Features include confidence score, multi-time frame confirmation, session filter, strong and weak setup detection,